Dear friends, yoga means literally union in Sanskrit language. It is the unification of one's individual consciousness to the omnipresent consciousness, the only source of infinite bliss and peace. So, question arises, why does one need yoga? We all are consciousness. A consciousness needs something beyond material pleasure. It is explained by the unending quest of something else in spite of all fates of life. One has to know his true needs beyond the current requirement, and for that he has to know himself. Yoga makes himself achieve that something else, the universal consciousness. Yoga cannot be limited to the physical exercises. To start yoga, one has to practice a simple yet amazing powerful meditation for just 10 minutes regularly. That is, you have to concentrate with open eyes on the tip of your nose. That's all. And in a very short span of time, a practitioner start experiencing multidimensional growth such as minimized stress and anxiety, a state of lasting happiness and peace. Negative thoughts are replaced by positivity and enthusiasm, better physical and psychological health, very quick de-addiction, better sleep, dramatic rise in alertness, with a simultaneous increase in the level of relaxation, enhanced memory, attention, decision making, improvement in the moral values. One becomes better person from within. These life transforming effects endure forever. While these benefits may sound interesting, the spiritual achievements are truly unmatched. It is a myth that one must give up all his duties to get spiritual. In fact, the reverse is true. The truly spiritual person is blessed with success in all the domains of life simultaneously: duties, wealth, worldly desires, and moksha. Spirituality often gets confined within the sect-wise rituals, and at max, the good deeds such as act of charity, the good deeds do return worldly rewards but cannot help to achieve the ultimate goal of life. Spirituality cannot be based on the platform of thoughts and by intellectual interpretation of holy scriptures. It is about the real life experiences. So, with the consciousness grows, we can achieve the complete goal of life in a continuity of experience. So, thank you very much, friends. Please subscribe my channel for unlimited.